Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do is go over 3 beginner crypto investing tips. So I want to share with you 3 things that I have learned / been implementing over the years for my crypto journey, if you will. So if you guys get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos that you would like to see me produce here on the channel. So let's dive right into this. So number 1, let's check out the notes here. Start now. Okay, so that's going to be the first one. You need to begin. Okay, so this is CoinMarketCap. You guys can start by checking that out. Find some projects in categories that you like, right? Go to Crypto Moose, the YouTube channel, subscribe, start watching the videos now, right? Like here, there's, for the people that have already been subscribed, they've probably seen 550 videos and they at least know about different projects. And now they can make smarter moves and they're just further ahead. I've been doing crypto for 5 years, roughly. When I first started, I didn't know anything. But now, over time, you get to build and learn. You put in $10 at a time. You do that for 100 days. It grows. It grows a lot. So same with the knowledge, right? So when the next bull run happens, you'll be able to identify it and better take advantage of it. That's really what it comes down to. So here I also have a link tree. We'll come back to this towards the end of the video. But really, you want to familiarize yourself with CoinMarketCap. Get on Twitter. There's a lot of good information on Twitter. You guys can follow me on Twitter as well. But for example, I just did a meld episode without this, I wouldn't know that this project has, is now going to have, fiat integrated specifically for USD with MasterCard, Apple Pay, for Canada, Visa, MasterCard. This is all like brand new news. So if you're in a project like Meld or whatever it may be, right? I just did a video on this. But you're getting access to the news, right? So familiarize yourself with these 2 specifically. Discord is also really good. But just, every day if you can, download the app, set up notifications for a project, and, that's what you should be doing. You should be taking a look and you should begin right now. So number 2, this is the big one. And it's the focus on one thing. So the thing about crypto, even if we take a look at the market cap, I don't know how many projects there are, but I think there's above 10,000. Well, cryptos, it shows 2.4 million. So, there are only so many good cryptocurrencies. And it's very easy and fun to just buy 50 tokens. You want to get some Doge, get some Pepe, get some Shiba Inu, get some SNEC, get some whatever egregious token. Like some of those are good, right? But even if you take a look at the memes, there are memes within memes, basically. And a lot of these projects suck. And people get bought into them because they think MogCoin is going to go up forever. Punk, which I kind of like, but there are a lot of tokens and projects that just won't be here in the future. And if you are into memes, good, but get good at memes. Get good at the Solana ecosystem. Get good at one thing. Get good at AI. Like if I knew more about AI, I'd be looking at these AI projects and I'd be like going through them every day, day after day, but I don't know anything about AI. What I'm familiar with is like sports, macro investing in general, but like really I understand the layer 1s really well. I understand crypto gaming decent at this point. DeFi I'm pretty familiar with. So I know what's out there. So I can make my assessments on those. But when I first started, I wish I just honed in on layer 1s. And I didn't get too greedy. So there's nothing wrong with, I'll just say it now. Of course, nothing's financial advice. If you buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and just hold it for a long time, you're probably going to do well. Because you're keeping it simple. You're getting the best tokens. They account for roughly 70% of the entire market cap of the space. You have the digital gold, the decentralized store of value in Bitcoin. You also have the all general purpose base blockchain with Ethereum, right? So many decentralized applications being built on it. Solana is another good one. I like ADA, but familiarize yourself. I'm big into the ADA Cardano ecosystem. So even for me, I get lost sometimes trying to do too much. Number 3, when you get to the point where you're starting to actually invest, these are tips for anybody, by the way. Use cold storage. Guys, get Tangem. This is a cold storage wallet. So instead of having something like, let's say you have a Binance account. So you're on the computer, you know, you're buying crypto, you set up your payment, and you're using, let's say, Coinbase or Binance. If this website goes down, you lose your crypto, right? If they get sued, whatever it may be. Even if you're using crypto.com, sure, I think they hold it in a non-custodial fashion on cold storage. But the point is, with something like this, they act like a bank. Whereas non-custodial, you become your own bank. So I recommend this. This is the best way to go. You're less exposed online. These are designed for you to protect yourself as best as possible. So that's something that I recommend. So this is going to solve some of this in the future. That is Meld. But yeah, if you guys are interested, guys, go to the link tree. Okay, save 10% off your Tangem or your ring too. So go through the link. You can pre-order a Tangem ring, which I think is cool. Use code Moose for that. And if you're on a tight budget, you can get the 2-card set for under $50. So you can also click here, go to Get Tangem, boom, $50. Save 10% off. So yeah, Tangem is really cool. I've done tons of videos on this. You guys can use other links. We also have online courses to help you out. We have some free courses. Check them out. And with that being said, the Moose is loose. Guys, comment down below your questions and what are some other tips you want to see in the future. But these are the best tips, in my opinion, for any beginner level crypto investor. So we'll see you in the next one, guys.